Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how you can set your power button of your phone to end calls. When you have received a phone call and you are done speaking to the person and you want to hang up, instead of tapping on the end call you can press on your power button to immediately end your call. Here is how you can do it. Go through your phone to find the Settings app and once you reach it press on it. Scroll and search through your phone where it's written Accessibility and press on it. If you are not seeing it, quickly just type in the search box for it. Scroll again to locate where it's written Power button ends call and you are going to turn it on. Once it's turned on, every time you get a phone call you can end it using your power button. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.